How to fix disabled account cannot be contacted on Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys a few methods to fix this problem. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is open your Instagram and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, just head over to the chat section at the top right corner. And once you get to your DMs, you'll get your messages section. So you'll see your messages right here. What you do next is if it says that the person has disabled their account and disabled account can't be contacted, you won't have an option to type in any message here. So what you do next is go to their profile, and then you're going to have to try to restrict this account. Tap on the three dots at the top right, and then from here you can simply go to restrict. And once you restrict the account, the messages and comments will no longer be shown. So what you can do is go back and you'll see an option something like this pop up on your screen where it says you have restricted this person and you are not able to even message them. The next step you can try to do is unrestrict them again and see if that works. So let me just go to that profile, search for that person, go to their chat, and then unrestrict them. Once you've unrestricted them, you should be able to contact them. But sometimes they might have temporarily disabled their Instagram account for personal reasons. In that case, there's nothing you can do until they reactivate their account. So after doing that, it might also be the reason if your Instagram is not up to date. So head over to Play Store and update the app to its latest version and see if that works. So these are some of the things you can do if you see the error where it says disable account can be contacted. I hope this was helpful to you guys. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one.